Hey guys, Coach Kimmy. I want to show you curling irons, different sizes, and what it will look like. And this one's kind of fun. Look at this real little skinny one. I'm going to show you what that's going to look like, and this is a bigger one. So this is probably like 1/4 of an inch. This one will be like a full inch, and the other one will be like a 1/2 inch. 1/2 inch. This is a Marcel, and this like barrel, you can turn it with your hand, so it's like easier. It takes a little time to learn that. And this one's just a clamp and a barrel. You definitely need to take the hair. Okay, I'm going to do the front just to show you a really tiny piece. You take the hair and you're going to take that barrel and you're going to come back. That barrel's behind, right? So I could do the curl just like this. Get those ends, get those ends, get those ends. So cool. And trust me, if I take this out, it'll be such a gorgeous little beach wave too. All right, now I just want to show you another way. Now, when you're trying to get a whole head of beautiful beach waves, you can do an opposite on this side. Now look at the barrel. This is going forward now. See, the hair is nice and smooth. Now listen, if I wanted to go back, I'd have to do it this way and then it would go back. But I want to do it forward because I like to change to make those beach waves really nice. There we go. I'm going to pull, curl, pull, curl, pull. And then I like to lean it out, pull. I didn't get those ends though. I need to get that end. Those ends are going to matter. All right, so I'm going to grab it. I'm still turning it and I'm getting those ends. Get those ends. There we go. Look at how clean that end is now, right? You want a whole curl that has a clean end. Now that one's going forward. Now listen, I want to show you what not to do. Okay, because it's always good to know if this curling iron is the right way or the wrong way. Now watch this. I am going to do a fish hook, okay, because that's going to show you. Now, let's just say I wanted to go back. I would really put it in this way, okay, because I'd grab that hair and pull it. But let's just say I did it the wrong way. I put it in, and then I come against that curl iron. See how it's going to, like, not work? Watch how bad this curl will be. It's going to be bad. It's got crinks in it. Like it's got a ledge right there, right there. That's what you don't want. The rest of it's fine, but really those ledges are not good to have. It's called a fish hook. So you really don't want that. And trust me, it'll look so bad having this fish hook, this line here. So I'm going to show you how to get rid of it. Take that hair. You're going with it. See that weird line it made? That bad bend. You're going to take it, and you can even just go back over it. That was where the line was. Make sure you get it in there, and you always feel the curl iron to make sure as soon as you feel the heat, you can change it. That's a little bit better. But really, a fish hook is hard to get out, so just don't do it the wrong way, and you're going to be fine. All right. Now let me show you a medium one. Okay, I'm going to show you two in the front. And I'm going to brush this out just so you can see what it looks like. It looks so pretty, right? Now, you could do it all forward if you wanted to. And that would be this coming towards her face and going around that way. But I did this one kind of coming back. Just so you can see it's softer. And this one, when you start from behind and you roll it forward, you're going to get it a little higher. But you see this one comes down and goes back and around. So now I'm going to do it with the other side, and I'm going to grab this front. This is a 1/2 inch. I'm going to grab it. Look at, see that? I'm going with that hair so I don't get any kink. Pulling it down and keep turning. Get those ends, get those ends, get those ends. Beautiful. Look how pretty that curl is. Now I'm going to do two the same. I'm not going to do the other one forward. Okay, look, take it here. Look at where the first bend is. There you go. See? And then I take it, get those ends, get those ends, get those ends. Beautiful. She will have beautiful, perfect curl hair. And I'm going to do this one, third piece, and then I want to show you the bigger curl iron. I'm going to go right to where her curls are, put that bend in there, and you're coming down, 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 down. Gorgeous curls. You just do a whole head of them. When you see them brush out, it looks beautiful. And also, this is our new award that we just won. I'm so excited, 2025 for Modern Techniques, because that's where I work. That's my salon. I've been here for 11 years. I love to give you tips and tricks about hair. So this is your inch, right? I want to show you what this looks like. Now I'm going to be coming back with this hair. This is kind of a cool curl iron because this one turns. See that? Most of them don't. And then I'm going to take that. Now it's a bigger curl. Get those ends, get those ends, get those ends. Okay, see how it's like a much softer, looser curl for an inch? And what I love to use is Babyliss it's a texture spray. Just to put a little in there instead of hairspray, it just puts texture to hold that curl better. Now look, I'm going to do another one. Okay, bend it the way you want it. You can tighten that hair up a little bit. And I'm just pulling. I'm going to slide. Pull, get those ends, get those ends, get those ends. I just need those ends a little bit more. Right there. Beautiful. Much softer, looser, docile look. You figure out what curl iron do you want, right? How do you know? And I want to say, you try to see, do you want it more curly? Look at this is the small curl iron. Right? It's more. This is loose. Just softer. And then this one is in the middle. And now watch, let me show you too. See how pretty that curl is, that wave? It's so pretty. So you kind of figure out which one do you want. You know, so I did my curls like this one. So, you know what, my hair's shorter and more layered. So that really makes a difference too, having it shorter and layered. And this one too, right here, like I feel like we could probably do this a little bit more of a curl. So it's really going all the way down with this baby tiny curl iron. Let's see it all the way to the top. It's always good to play and experiment so you could always see what do you really love. And this one I'm kind of doing as if it was a roller. Whoa. And let's see what it looks like when you comb it out. And this will stay for days. Now I'm changing this curl because this one was coming forward. I'm going to bring it forward but curl it back. Bring it forward, curl it back. I'm going to redirect that curl. You have to have enough heat on it to do that. Wow, little spiral curls. Love it. I'm a curl girl, man. I love curls because I used to love perming my hair. And now I can't really do it because I want to keep my long hair and I don't want it to get fried. Oh. Hold on, that one was not quite as nice. See, I'll have to fix that end. Try to stay with the system, right? Grab it, turn it, twist. Grab it, turn it, twist. Okay, there we go. Now it's popping back up though because it was super curly. Now let's see what that would look like. Okay, that would be too much for me. I wouldn't like that. There you go. But anybody that does, you know how to do it. That's simple. And I really like these curls. Pull them out. Right? Let's just say you made a mistake and you're like, okay, that curling iron is too much. It's not working. I don't like that. Let's see. Take a bigger piece. And you're going to really stretch that hair out and make it smoother. And you could also like brush it down. Get it? But when it's really hot, it does it in seconds. It's getting there. All right, so I'm going to take that comb first, get it nice and smooth. Take this, and I'm just going to go back over. It's nice and hot now. Pull it forward. We're going to try to redirect that curl. Get those ends, get those ends, get those ends. Still too curly though. All right, so now I'm going to really do it one more time. Okay, it came out a lot more. Now we just got to get the right curl in there, right? Okay, now I'm just going to do it as if, but I have to let it cool off a little because it's going to set. So I'm cooling it off straighter so it's not quite as curly. You see how it's pulling it out? Now I'm going to take it back and I'm going to curl. I'm going to take it and now I'm going to twist it a little bit and then that'll be it. And then that curl will be able to start matching this side. All right, so, I mean, listen, it's better to just get it to the right one, but I did just kind of re-go over them that little bit. But which one do you like better? This is prettier, right? It's more systematic. I did it the right way the first time. I knew what I liked. Now let's just do the back one too. Let's comb this one out, right? We just did the two. Okay, so you see how it'll just put a little bend in there. Just a beautiful little soft S curl. Yep, so there you go, guys. This is my favorite one, and this is with a 1/2 inch. It's a great way to put great, beautiful curls in and make your hair pretty and beautiful. And please subscribe, and thank you so much for all your comments and all your love and all your support. It really means a lot to me. I appreciate it. So now I want to show you, this is a Lacio 480 to get something out really quick, right? So we did this curl, don't like it. Didn't come out real good, but you just need to get it out really quick. You're just gonna go with that hair, press it, press it, press it. Take your comb, press it, press it, press it. You'll be able to get that curl right out. Right now I gotta go underneath. I still like to take that part on top. Just nice and easy, systematically go down. I want to take this front. And it doesn't have to be on that high either, just so you know. But if you want to get it out quick, don't leave it in the hair long. Just go in and push it down, get it out. Get that curl out. I'm just going to turn it one more time. Right here is where a little curl's still going. Good. And then you got it out, and then you could start back over from scratch. Flat iron, you're just taking that hair. Okay, you take the brush, make sure it's all smooth. You have to like smooth it out. It's all smooth. And then you can take it, and I like to open and close, open and close, open and close. What a great, this is a highlighting pattern I'm teaching one of my girls, Roro, and she's doing such a good job. She did a beautiful highlight on this mannequin head, and she did a pattern. I'm trying to teach her how to do patterns for highlights. It's an excellent way of learning how to do highlights. If they want to be more blonde, less blonde, if they want to be more dimensional, it's a great way. So I just wanted to show you this, how to use a flat iron, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. This is Coach Kimmy. God bless you. Checking in, wanted to let you know I'm going to be doing some Facebook Lives, and I'm excited to hear what it is you'd love to know. So as an experienced hairstylist for over 40 years, I feel like, you know, when you guys are young ones, there's lots of questions that you might have and that you need to know. And there's a lot of basic fundamental laws of color, and there'll be answers that will be consistently through the same thing when you learn them. So if there's anything you need to ask, just ask me. So I want to share with you the years and years of experience that I have as a hairstylist, salon owner, business owner, entrepreneur, YouTube influencer. I got 150,000 followers on my YouTube. Yay! And I think there's lots of things that if you don't know how to do them, I can help you to learn them. So just let me know. It's Coach Kimmy.